Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix part of this app has been blocked by Windows security. So proceed only if the app is trusted and verified. Allowing unknown apps may put your PC at risk. So let's get started. Simply search for Windows security and open it. Then go to virus and threat protection. Scroll down and under virus and threat protection settings, click on manage settings. Then scroll down and under exclusion, click on add or remove exclusion. Now click here and based on your file, select the option. If it is a folder, select folder. Navigate to C drive, program files and select that particular program's folder. And it is done. Additionally, go to app and browser control. Then go to smart app control settings and turn it off. Then go back to app and browser control again. Then click on reputation based protection settings. From here, turn off the check apps and files option. Then turn off the smart screen for Microsoft Edge option. Scroll down and turn off the smart screen for Microsoft Store apps option. Once done, go to firewall and network protection. Here you'll get the option of allow an app through firewall. Simply click here, select the app that is causing the error and turn on both the private and public options once you select it, and this should fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.